Dr. Jha, you are such a versatile personality that I don't know where to begin. Now, you were an ex-ICS officer and former Vice Chancellor of the Sanskrit University in Benares. You are a Sanskrit scholar yourself and author and now Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Now, let me begin with your present job. Now, what does it involve? Are you like all other governors?
No, well, I have certain powers, reserved powers, in regard to certain subjects, such as law and order, the services, and also land development, which are entirely my responsibility. And these subjects, besides the transferred subjects, which are dealt with by members of the Executive Council.
Yeah, but are you in touch with the council day to day? Or?
Not day to day, but we meet about once a fortnight, because even with regard to transferred subjects, and it's a matter of policy, the whole council has a sitting.
You have a lot of administrative work.
Yes.
Yes. Are you happy with the way Delhi is administered? Or are you not allowed to say anything?
No, I'm not happy about the way in which Delhi is being administered. Actually, the administration, not only in Delhi, but everywhere in the country, leaves a lot to be desired.
You have written a number of books too, haven't you?
I'm in the process of writing a number of books. The only book that has been published so far is a book in Hindi called Bharatiya Darshano Ka Samanvay, Synthesis of Indian Systems Philosophy.
What's the book you're writing now?
One on Ganesh, another on public administration, third on the short stories in Sanskrit.
Short stories in Sanskrit. What's the book on Ganesh about?
Well, all about him. I mean, whether he is one of the Vedic gods or not.
Yeah.
Then from the iconographical angle, the different images of Ganesh, both in this country as well as abroad, because Ganapati was adopted by Buddhism.
Yes.
And you find sculptures of Ganesh as far afield as Japan and Manchuria.
Yes.
Of course, Java and what's called Greater Asia.